Want to control what your kids access online? Spectrum routers offer built-in parental controls to block specific websites or categories. First, log into your Spectrum router's admin panel. This is typically done by typing 192.168.1.1 into your browser's address bar. You can also manage settings via the My Spectrum app for real-time blocking, a feature updated in mid-2025. Next, locate the parental control settings. Enable URL filtering and create a block list by adding specific website addresses. Enable URL filtering and create a block list by adding specific website addresses. For broader control, use category filters to block types of content like adult material or gambling sites. Remember, these controls work at the network level, affecting all connected devices. Keep in mind that persistent users may bypass by using VPNs or incognito modes. It is a good idea to consider using other protection measures to ensure children's safety online. Spectrum is continuously improving its parental controls with advanced features. Recent updates include AI-assisted content filtering, which uses machine learning to more accurately identify and block inappropriate websites. This aligns with the industry trend towards smarter, more adaptive controls. Looking ahead, expect deeper integration with smart home ecosystems, potentially allowing voice-activated blocking via devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Experts predict increased adoption of advanced filtering as cyber threats to children rise. However, be aware of privacy concerns related to data collection and user consent. While effective, remember parental controls are just one layer of online safety. Combine them with open communication and education to help your family navigate the digital world safely.